how to record your Google Meets meetings. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can record your Google Meets meetings on your device. So let us get started. So first, let us open our Meet and let's start a meeting. So just open up your Google Meet and join a meeting. Now here what you'll notice is when you go to the Activity Center and you try to record this, you will need to buy a premium version of Google Meet. So there is no recording option. What we can do is that we can download an extension. So let's head over to Web Store. And after you head over to Chrome Web Store, simply search for screen recording. And yeah, simply search for screen recording and the extension will come up. This is the extension. Simply add it to your Google Chrome. And after you add it to your Chrome, this tab will open up. You will need to sign in with your Google. So simply sign in. And after you sign in, you can simply head over here and then simply start recording. So head over to this puzzle icon and tap on Awesome Screen Record. Simply select this tab and start recording. As I said, you need to sign in. So sign in here and then you can continue to record the screen. And yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.